Hotel Points 101. Earn free nights faster than you think. Tired of overpaying for accommodations that barely seem worth the price? What if I told you that Hotel Points programs, contrary to popular belief, might be the fastest and easiest way to travel for free? Forget complicated airline miles. The real secret to getting free hotel nights often lies hidden in hotel loyalty programs. You don't need to be a frequent business traveler or a millionaire to unlock luxury stays without spending a dime. Big secret is that accumulating hotel points can be surprisingly fast. While airline miles might require many flights for a decent redemption, hotel programs offer multiple avenues to boost your balance. It's not just about staying overnight. We're talking about welcome bonuses from credit cards that are worth several free nights, seasonal promotions that double or triple your points, and even everyday purchases that turn into hotel nights. It's a much more generous and accessible ecosystem than you imagine. Think about co-branded credit cards. Many of them offer massive sign-up bonuses capable of immediately generating enough points for several free nights at mid-tier hotels. Furthermore, these cards frequently grant basic elite status, which can mean room upgrades, free breakfast, and late checkout, even on your first stay. It's a gateway to a world of benefits that most travelers overlook. And don't underestimate promotions. Hotel chains frequently launch offers that allow you to earn extra points for specific stays, or even a fixed bonus after a certain number of nights. Keeping an eye on these promotions and planning your trips around them can exponentially accelerate your point accumulation, transforming a regular stay into a multiplier for future free trips. It's a smart strategy that optimizes every dollar spent. Additionally, many chains allow you to earn points for spending at their restaurants, spas, and even on events or meetings organized at their properties, even if you're not staying there. Some programs even have partnerships with online retailers where your daily purchases generate hotel points. Every penny spent could be bringing you closer to your next free night without you having to sleep a single night in the hotel. The real game changer, however, is the concept of point value. Unlike airline miles that can have a fluctuating and unpredictable value, hotel points often offer a more consistent value per point, especially when redeemed at high-tier properties or during special events. You can find hotels where 50,000 points are worth a $500 night, which represents a 1 cent per point redemption, an excellent value. It's like having a digital currency that gives you access to luxury experiences at an unbelievable discount. And here's the part that few realize: the rule of 4 nights, the 5th free, or 3 nights, the 4th free. Many hotel loyalty programs offer a free night when you redeem points for a certain number of consecutive nights. This means your effective accumulation rate is even higher, as you are essentially earning an extra free night for every 3 or 4 that you redeem with points. This is the icing on the cake, turning free into even more free. Beyond the ease of accumulation, the flexibility in redeeming hotel points often surpasses that of airline miles. While flights may have limited award seat availability and blackout dates, most hotel programs allow point redemption whenever a standard room is available. This means it's much easier to plan your trips and secure your free stay when and where you want, without the frustration of hunting for specific seats. Another underexplored benefit is the possibility of pooling points. Several hotel chains allow family members or groups of friends to combine their points into a single account for a larger redemption. This is extremely useful for achieving more expensive or longer stays that a single individual might not be able to manage alone. It's a way to leverage collective power for travel experiences that would otherwise be out of reach. Consider also the versatility of hotel points. They aren't just for nightly stays. Many programs allow you to use them for room upgrades, executive lounge access, or even to cover the cost of meals and services within the hotel. This adds a layer of value that goes beyond a simple free night, transforming your stay into a more complete and luxurious experience with less out-of-pocket expense. And the technological evolution of hotel loyalty programs is making everything even easier. Mobile apps allow you to manage your points, book stays, and even check in and check out with just a few taps. This simplifies the process and takes the headache out of dealing with bureaucracy, allowing you to focus on what really matters: enjoying your trip. The big revelation is that for most travelers, hotel points offer a more direct and lucrative path to free travel than airline miles. They are easier to accumulate through various sources, offer more predictable redemption value, and the promotions and additional benefits make the redemption experience much more rewarding. While you're worrying about finding award seats on flights, others are sleeping in luxury suites, paying only with points they accumulated without even realizing it. So, the next time you think about starting to accumulate travel rewards, ask yourself, why focus on miles when the fastest path to free nights might be waiting for you in a hotel room?